When placing implants, if we haven't planned appropriately, you can have either more implants than you need or more procedures. For example, if a patient has teeth that are maybe in poor condition and we're placing an implant every year, that can get very costly over the patient's lifetime. If we pre-plan that and we understand that the other teeth may fail in the next couple of years, because sometimes we replace a whole jaw for substantially less than placing multiple single implants in a patient's mouth. That is all has to do with a failure to plan. The other problem that happens is sometimes we're short-sighted and we think that maybe dentures are a better solution, and we say, let's just take the teeth out and have dentures. Then you wear the dentures and we have some medical issues related to that. Our chewing efficiency is lower, our quality of life decreases because food doesn't taste as good. There's also a lot of bone loss related to wearing dentures. And if we get the dentures and then we decide a couple years later or a decade later that I actually want implants, now placing those implants can be much more costly because it wasn't done in one's procedure. So if we don't have a short-sighted view of the cost in one visit versus the cost over a lifetime, you can end up overpaying because you're doing multiple procedures or you have revisional surgery. Here at Adara, we really try to look at you as a global patient and make sure that we're doing the right thing for you in your long-term vision, and we're not short-sighting or wasting your money. If we think that your teeth need to come out, we're going to tell you that, and we'll talk to you about it and figure out a plan that is going to give you the best result and make sure you pay the minimum amount over your lifetime. If you're missing teeth, need implants, or don't know what to do for the future of your teeth and you're concerned, come see us at Adara Surgical Institute and we'll guide you on the right path that is the best investment for your future in the long term. We'll ensure that you're going to have the best result, minimal pain, and the best outcome without wasting any money.